Hi, everyone. My name is Lauren, and I work with the Adult Services Department at Shaker Heights Public Library. Your health is so very important, and today I want to talk to you about using apps to manage your health and improve your health knowledge. I will discuss what apps are, how to evaluate them, and I'll point out a few apps that you might want to try. Library staff can help connect you with resources that can be used for informational purposes or to inform conversations with your health providers. Keep in mind that only health professionals can interpret symptoms, diagnose conditions, and recommend treatments. Today, I'll be talking a little bit about apps. An app is a computer software program that can be run on a smart device, such as a smartphone or a tablet. App is short for application. Apps are commonly used for games, tools, and providing linkages to products and services. Some apps are free, some apps cost money to purchase, and others require a subscription. You can search for apps on Apple's App Store, Google Play, or Amazon App Store. There are different types of health and wellness apps out there. Some cover mental health, others nutrition, or fitness and safety topics. Apps that I discussed today are meant for consumer use, and that would be used by the general public. These are not for professional medical use. Apps can be used as tools to help you find information, track your health, or talk to your doctor. Super important. Apps do not replace the advice of a medical professional, and not all apps are equal or appropriate. You must evaluate before you download. It can be very challenging to understand whether or not an app is going to meet your needs. So, in order to help guide you through that decision making process, I would like to introduce you to the suspect model. By answering questions associated with the word suspect, you can get a better idea about whether or not an app is going to meet your individual needs. Seeking. Does the app meet your need? If you're trying to use an app for fitness, does the app actually cover fitness topics? Usability. Is it easy to use? Security. Do you need to make an account? Who can see your information? Is there a privacy policy? And what does it say? Price. What is the upfront cost of the app? And are there in app purchases? Evaluation. Go beyond the star rating and read the available reviews. Find out what other users are saying about that app. Creator. Who made the app? And is that person or organization trustworthy? And timeliness. When was the app made and when was it last updated? It's important to know that the app contains the most up to date health information possible. And you also want to ensure that the app is getting frequent security updates. Let's evaluate a health app together. On the screen, you'll see information that I've captured about an app called Health U Plus. In the middle of the screen is the description from the App Store. Reading through that description, it's really hard to understand what the purpose of this app might be. So, when we look at the suspect model to help us understand whether or not this app is right for us, the first red flag has to do with the very first question. S for seeking. Does the app meet your need? If it's hard to understand the purpose of the app, it's equally hard to understand if it's going to meet your need. Looking at some additional information about the Health U Plus app, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a rating from someone who has downloaded and used the Health U Plus app. This user has given the app a 2.2 rating out of 5 stars. Not very good. This user goes on to tell us that the app often records incorrect information and seems to record it at times when the person isn't even using the app. Looking to the right of the screen, we can see information about when the app was last updated, July 30th of 2020, and that's fairly recent. We can also see at the bottom of the right side image that there's an email address for the developer and a link to the privacy policy. Taking all of the available information into account, there are red flags with seeking, understanding whether or not this app will meet a need, and there's also a red flag for evaluation. This app does not have very high ratings. Now that we've had a little bit of practice using the suspect model, let's talk about some apps that you might find helpful. Remember that before you download any app, ask the suspect questions so that you can understand whether or not the app is going to meet your particular need. The first app that we'll discuss is called What's Up, a mental health app. This is a free app that's designed to help you with feelings like stress, anger, and anxiety. You can keep a thought diary, track your habits, or even play games to help you feel more grounded. This app will help lead you through breathing exercises and even suggest coping strategies to help you manage your feelings. There's also forums where you can post messages about the way that you feel or offer support to other users. And because mental health and any kind of health is such a personal and private thing, the app gives you the ability to increase your security by adding a passcode directly to the app. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll want to make sure you don't mix up this app with a similarly named app called WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a messaging app. Here we see some screenshots from the What's Up mental health app. Here's another app that's worth checking out. This is Cleveland Clinic Mindful Moments. It's a free app developed by local health experts at Cleveland Clinic Wellness. It is a series of about 15 meditation exercises that have been created to address topics like stress and stress relief. You can select a meditation, choose the gender of the voice that will guide you through the exercise, and you can select the length of the meditation. This is a great app for exploring guided meditation. If you find that you enjoy it, there are other apps available that really expand on guided meditation content. The next app that I want to talk about is MERCK Manual Consumer App. This is a free app and it's a fantastic all purpose health reference. You'll get practical explanations for thousands of medical conditions, and the content is written and edited by a team of medical experts. There are photos, videos, and even 3D models to help add a little bit of extra context to the topics that you might be interested in, and you can learn more about common medical tests. There's even an abbreviation and pronunciation guide for medical terminology. If you'd like, you can even take quizzes to test your health knowledge. Now, I will warn you, this app does take a little bit more memory than most apps out there. So if your smart device is short on memory storage, this may not be the app for you. Here we find some screenshots from the Merck Manual Consumer app. I've pulled up the topic of diabetes. We can see the illustration of a shoulder joint. And I've even pulled up a test called a D dimer in the test index. Next, I'd like to introduce you to MyFitnessPal. This is a free app, though it does have optional in app purchases. It will help you easily track your food and scan barcodes for up to 4 million food products. You can even track foods from your favorite restaurants. You can set goals for weight management and then chart your progress through those goals. You can log fitness activities like steps or cardio workouts, and even participate in diet plans or exercise plans. You can even browse a huge variety of recipe categories, things like low sodium, high protein, or even vegetarian and vegan. And finally, you can connect to other community members using the forum section. Here are some of the screenshots from MyFitnessPal. You can see that I've pulled up a workout selection. Here are some of the food plans that you can see are available through MyFitnessPal. There's a screenshot of the food diary where you would keep track of your daily food intake, and even a picture of the community screen. Fit On is a workout app that is free for most workouts, though it does have some pro content that starts at $14.99. This app is designed to help you lose weight or to get fit on your schedule. There are on demand workout videos, or you can choose to stream live sessions. The free workouts do require that you have Wi Fi access. You can choose celebrity workout videos featuring Gabrielle Union and Jonathan Van Ness. And there's a huge variety of workout styles, including yoga, cardio, toning, dance, and even workouts that require no special equipment. There's an advice section featuring trainer tips, and you can even access meal plans and recipes with the Pro subscription. Here are some of the screenshots from Fit On. All the way to the left, you can see the huge variety of exercise routines that are available. There's a screenshot of the celebrity workout section. You can see the trainer tips and advice, and also an example of what to expect accessing the meal plan. The final app that I want to talk about is CDC Health IQ. This is a free app, though you are required to create an account with Google Play Games or Apple Games Center. This trivia game was created by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and it allows you to test your knowledge on a huge variety of health topics. You can select your level of difficulty and be presented with a quiz round of 10 questions, earn achievements and bonuses for high scores. And what I love is that these trivia games can be played again and again because new trivia is added over time. Here are some screenshots from the CDC Health IQ app. As you play a round of trivia, you'll be presented with a question and have to choose an answer from the bottom of the screen. After choosing your answer, you'll get a short explanation about the question. This app is a fantastic way to increase your health knowledge and test your knowledge over time. You can access additional health resources by using the Shaker Library website. Go to shakerlibrary.org and click on Resources and Research, and then Health and Medicine. When you click on Health and Medicine, you'll be able to access resources like the MERCK Manual Consumer Edition, Consumer Health Complete, and Alt Health Watch. Thank you so much for watching this presentation on health apps presented by the Shaker Library. Remember, no app will ever substitute for the guidance of a health professional. And always evaluate apps before downloading. You can use the suspect model to guide your evaluation process. Thank you so much.